not because you're selfish, but because you're serious. Ladies and gentlemen, let me go deeper with you for a moment. When I say keep your big goals secret, I'm not telling you to stop dreaming out loud because dreams are powerful. I'm telling you to understand timing. There is a difference between vision and validation. Too many people share their goals because they want applause before achievement. They want encouragement before effort. They want to feel like they've arrived before they've even started walking. And that right there is dangerous. You see, when you announce a big goal, your brain gets a small reward. People clap. They say, wow, that's amazing. They say, I'm proud of you. And for a moment you feel accomplished, but you haven't done the work yet. That little emotional high can trick you into thinking you've made progress. Talking about the mountain is not the same as climbing it. Posting the dream is not the same as building it. Success does not respond to conversation. It responds to commitment. There's another reason you keep your big goals quiet. Not everybody around you has the capacity to understand your vision. When you share something big, something bold, something beyond your current situation, small-minded people will measure it against your present reality. They'll say, how are you going to do that? They'll say, be realistic. They'll remind you of your past mistakes. They'll list your limitations. And if you're not strong enough, their doubt will start sounding like logic. Their fear will start sounding like wisdom. And before you know it, you'll shrink your dream just to make other people comfortable. A seed does not grow because people are watching it. A seed grows because it's protected under the soil. It develops roots in darkness. It's built strength and silence. Nobody applauds a seed underground. Nobody congratulates it. But when it finally breaks through the surface, everybody notices the tree. Your goals are the same way. In the early stages, they are fragile. They need discipline. They need focus. They need work. They don't need opinions. When you move in silence, something powerful happens. You remove pressure. You remove outside noise. You remove the temptation to perform. You get to fail privately, learn privately, adjust privately. Failure is part of success. But it's easier to recover when the whole world is not watching. When you keep your goals to yourself, you give yourself room to grow without embarrassment. You give yourself space to experiment without judgment. And let me tell you something else. Some people are not clapping for you. They're collecting information. They want to know what you're doing so they can compete with you, copy you, or block you. The less access people have to your plans, the less power they have over your progress. Surprise is strength. When nobody knows your next level, nobody can prepare to stop it. Now, I'm not saying don't have accountability. You need mentors, you need trusted advisors, you need people who genuinely want to see you win. But that circle should be small, very small. Everybody does not deserve front row seats to your destiny. Access is earned, not given. The real flex is not announcing your dream. The real flex is achieving it. The real power move is disappearing for a while and coming back transformed. Let them wonder what you're doing. Let them question your silence. While they're talking, you're building. While they're scrolling, you're studying. While they're doubting, you're developing. And one day, when the results show